In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Snapchat audio not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, there's a few different things that you could go ahead and do. So if the audio sounds muffled or underwater, it's likely because your iPhone's trying to filter out background noise too aggressively. So open Snapchat and start a video recording and swipe down from the top right to open the control center. And then make sure that basically, like if I start recording right now, let me just lock it. Then I want to swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up my control panel. On the top, go ahead and click Snapchat. And you want to make sure that where it has the different microphones and everything, you want to switch it from voice isolation to standard or automatic. So right now mine's on automatic, and that's how you want it to be. Now, what you can also go ahead and do is make sure it has the necessary permissions. So we're going to go out of Snapchat, go to settings, scroll all the way down to apps, and then go ahead and find Snapchat. So I'm going to go ahead and find it right now. And then once you've gone ahead and found your Snapchat application, click on it, and then you want to make sure it has access to your microphone and put it to allow always. So microphone's right there, right above camera. And then also make sure your silent switch is off as well. The final thing you can do, maybe it's a little bug, go over to general, then go to iPhone storage and then locate Snapchat. And what you want to do is offload the app, and that's going to clear the cache. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.